Got it here, 5 more next level knives that you don't see very often. They sell off pretty much instantly when they hit the market. And a lot of people always ask me, what do I do with these knives? Most of them, I will list them at the consignment store, Arizona Custom Knives. It's an online store, check it out. I'll put links in description. So yeah, I resell most of my knives over there unless I keep them. So first of all, we got right here Boca blades. Boca design, and this thing is awesome. This is like a dagger type of knife. It's a fixed blade. There's Boca logo. Look at that thumb rest, where if you have to work on something, you know, like maybe cut a stick, sharpen something up like a stick and stuff, it's incredibly comfortable. Look at that grip, so nice. Or like you can just hold it and cook with that. It's a beautiful overall, like almost like camping bushcrafting knife in between. This is perfect. Look at that balance. You see, that's where we're going to hold it, and this knife balancing so well. I really like that a lot. So that way it's easy to hold it in your hand. It's not gonna fall off. And I love this sheath right here. So easy to take it out. A lot of knives, whenever you put it through, kind of hard to put it in and take it out. This one is super easy. And this one of those belt clips, and lock it. Super nice knife. That cost around $400. They probably will resell and go up in value from now on. I've seen them sell for over $500 on eBay and such websites. So this is gonna be good profit when you buy it and resell it in a year or two, because they get vintage. So yeah, knives are pretty awesome. Next, I got here Microtech. Don't know how to pronounce that name, but there you go. You can read it. Let's unbox it. This one is pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure this is a new design. Sometimes they make new designs. A lot of times they just make old designs. I kind of rerun them again. This one is made in 2022. Collaboration with Chill. Serial number 587. So far there's not that many of them. So that's why how I can tell this is a new design, because there's not a lot of them out there yet. And it's in 2022. A lot of them are in like thousands or even 10,000 knives that have been produced. And serial number starts obviously from 1 or 0 and prototype and such things like that. So yeah, beautiful knife, super snappy. Look at that. That's a unique design of a knife. Look at that. It's flowing. Is it comfortable? I guess so, kind of. But you know what? I see this as not a camping knife, not a super everyday knife. It's more of a collecting knife. I like that design a lot. There is a new one from HearTech, Slay. So see what's so special about this one. It's also a fixed blade, goes onto your belt clip, easy to take it out, but the actual blade is easy to take it off. As you can see, there's 3 screws. You can take it off and put a new blade on it or different handle on it. It's so weird and unique at the same time. Feels like kind of like an aluminum feel to it, but that's just a unique little knife. And there's a HearTech knives, and what is this? Serial number 180. So that's how you can tell these things are really new. You know, white on silver. I don't know if it was a good idea putting up that logo. It should have been different color, but whatever, it's cool. You can still see it. Maybe that's how they wanted it to look. But yeah, this is modular. You can take it off and put different handle on it. Handles were sold separately. Maybe I'll bring back and make a video of that again once they start selling different handles for this little push knife dagger. But yeah, super unique. This is a brand new 2022 HearTech knives. Okay, I found this one. It's not super expensive, like $100, but I thought it was funny. The title of this knife is 6th Finger Spear Point. That was the title of the knife. When I bought it, made in China, I thought it was just so funny that they called it a 6-finger. There you go, 6-finger spear point. And there's a design. Cool. So that's a neck knife. As you can see, it comes with a little like chain thing. Ooh, it's a strange little knife, don't you guys think? Obviously the balance will be off because there is almost no handle. I guess you hold it like that. That's quite strange. Yeah, I don't know. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a weird way to hold a knife for sure. I know, why would I want to do that, but it fits perfectly, as you can see, like that. Or this way. Yeah, this way. It's so strange. Or I guess you can hold it this way. Such a unique knife for sure. It's a really thick D2, so good steel. And another Microtech. This is Huck Carabit Tactical Standard, and this is number 23. That's another way how you can tell this is a completely new design by Microtech. And I thought so too. I mean, I haven't been following Microtech for that long, and yeah, that is weird, don't you guys think? This Carabit, and look how long that is, the handle at least. Anyways, these things you kind of have to hold it pretty good. Flicks out nice, but look how long that handle is. You don't see that very often. This is so weird whenever the handle is so much longer. And a Huck knives are really nice by Microtech. So the Huck been around for a while by Microtech, but the Carabit part of it is definitely new. Check this out. This is like $1,200 knife, and right here serial number is 23. That's how you can tell. Yeah, that's a beautiful handle over here. I love the button. The button is so big. There's no safety or anything on this knife, so you just have to push it really good on it. Ooh, so you see how it didn't push all the way. If you push a little bit, it doesn't fly out. You really have to kind of have a second push on it. 1, 2. You gotta push it quite deep in there, so it's a kind of built-in safety. And what does it says? M1090. Beautiful. It's quite nice, comfortable knife over here. I guess you can hold it in the back over here, and then you have like a little bit of an extension of a blade, you see? So if you hold it right here by this end right here, or you can even stick a finger in there so that way you don't lose it, and you have a little bit of extension. Very cool. Again, I don't know if it's super useful everyday carry. It's quite big, not for everybody, but when it will be sitting in a pocket, it will be pretty easy to pull out, because it will be sticking out right here from your pocket, so you can pull out quickly, regroup, grab it, and regroup again, and you have right here extended grip of a knife. But it's more of a collector knife, not everyday carry piece. But for some people it is, but I feel like for me it is a collector piece for sure. Microtech knives are pretty awesome, and they keep making unique ones like that you don't see every day for sure. Love it. Overextended handle.